Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Zishan. Today in this video lecture we will learn about the solders and soldering. That's most important question. Introduction. Sometimes two pieces of metals have to be joined together as in case of large span bridges or splints which are cast in a number of separate units and are joined together. Different methods are available for joining metal pieces. Number 1. Autogeneous welding, used in conditions when metal pieces have same melting points, alloys have same composition, or pure metal pieces have to be fused. Number 2. Laser welding. A beam of laser can be used to weld different units of an appliance together. Viewers, in this picture you can see the autogeneous welding. That picture show the laser welding. Number 3. Spot welding. Spot welding is an electrical process for joining two pieces of metals without application of solders. Principle. The basic principle involved is conversion of electric current to heat as a result of resistance offered to passage of electric current. When electric current passes through a metal, the temperature rises in the area. This heating effect of current can be utilized to join two pieces of metal together. Method. The pieces of metal which are to be joined are held firmly in place and in contact at point by two electrodes on either side of area of joint. An electric current of high ampere is passed through the electrodes and through the metal pieces. This current produces sufficient heat the area to cause partial fusion of the metal pieces by recrystallization across the joint. Here's in this picture you can see the another example of spot welding. What is soldering? Soldering is a process of joining two metal parts by flowing a third metal between them. What is solder? The filler metal is called a solder. Properties of solder. Number 1. Solder has a lower fusion temperature than the metal parts being joined. Number 2. The melting temperature of the solder should not exceed 450 degrees Celsius. Method of soldering. The molten solder flow by capillary action between and around the parts to be joined and partially alloys with the surface layers the metals to be joined. The bonding is by interfacial penetration of the solder's alloy. What is brazing? If the melting temperature of the filler metal is above 450 degrees Celsius, then the process of joining the two metal pieces with this filler metal is called brazing. Soldering process is used for number 1. Assembling a bridge, number 2. Building up contact areas in inlays and crowns. This picture shows the example of brazing. Here another example of soldering. Number 3. Joining parts of orthodontic appliance. Number 4. Joining components of cast partial denture. Methods of soldering. Mostly two methods are used in the field of dentistry. Number 1. Freehand soldering. The two metal pieces are coated with solders at the area of joint. Then these coated ends are held together in a flame until the solders fuses. This is a quick method and is used only to join wires. Viewers, that picture show the example of freehand soldering. Number 2. Investment soldering. The metal pieces to be joined together are assembled in a position with a moderate gap of 0.13 mm produced by placing a piece of the foil between them. This assembly is first joined with sticky wax, then the whole structure is embedded in investment plaster, keeping area of joint uncovered. Viewers, after watching this picture, you can understand the method of investment soldering. Once investment plaster has set hard, the sticky wax and tin foil are removed by boiling water. Preheating and soldering is carried out as quick as possible. Heating to soldering temperature is done more uniformly in a furnace. Also, less distortion of structure will occur in the furnace. Localized heating with a blowpipe flame can cause distortion. Requirements for a dental solders. Number 1. Should be resistance to tarnish and corrosion in the oral fluid. Number 2. Fusion temperature range of solders should 100 degrees Celsius below of the component mantle. Number 3. Good strength and same color. Number 4. Should not cause the pitting of the solder joint. Types of solders used in dentistry. Number 1. Soft solders. Lead tin alloys melting range between 200 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Hard solders. Gold solders melting range between 700 degrees Celsius to 850 degrees Celsius. Silver solders. Viewers, in this picture you can see the few example of solders. Here another picture. Viewers, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.